Thank you, Roel. Education International is the voice of 30 million of teachers in 169 countries through 350 teachers union. Education International is also a founder member of Global Campaign for Education, and we stand for quality public education for all. In Education International, we said quality education is a vaccine against poverty, and teachers are the key actors. It is a scandal to put 150 boys and girls in one classroom for one teacher and expect a quality education. But that is the current situation, especially in Africa, in sub-Saharan Africa, where most of the teachers are untrained and sometimes are volunteer teachers. To ensure quality education is critical to recruit qualified teachers, to train and retrain those who are already in the profession. Teachers Union, through Education International, called for the recruitment of 18 million qualified teachers, well-trained and strongly motivated, needed to achieve the universal primary education for all girls and boys by 2015. This has a cost, but one worth meeting. It is time to act. Government, international financial institutions, keep your promises. Education International in 10-15 classroom will continue to deliver a good quality education through its projects, Health Quality Education Quality Project, through EFA project, through HIV/AIDS project. Together, let us ensure the future of our children, the development of our nation, the progress of the world by providing qualified teachers for quality education. One classroom, one qualified teachers, many happy, healthy children. Thank you.